Hey guys, this is another video showing you one of my really delicious porridge. This morning we're going to be doing oats and banana porridge. Let's go! So the first thing we're going to do is add our oats, and I'm going to be using 1 cup of oats, and the brand we're using this morning is the Lasco brand. To help thicken this, we're going to be adding 1/2 cup of refined cornmeal, adding about 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt, 1 tablespoon of chia seed. I have a few naturally dried pumpkin seed, and I'm going to also be adding this to the mix, which is about a teaspoonful. Now for our spice, we already went ahead and added our vanilla flavoring, and that was a tablespoon. We're adding now some rose almond water flavoring, and that we added about a teaspoon of it. Next on our list as spice, we're just going to be grating some nutmeg, and we're going to be adding 1/4 teaspoon. That's our nutmeg. I went ahead and grated it. Could not hold the camera, so please bear with me. These are our green banana. I have 6 fingers. These are small fingers. In order to help prevent some of the stickiness from getting onto your hand, you'll be needing some regular cooking oil. And you're going to want to just rub it on your hand, and also on whatever knife you're using. Ensure it's well coated. Next, you're going to peel your bananas. And then after you're finished peeling the bananas, you're going to just add them straight to the blender. Next, we'll be adding our water. And we're just going to add enough water to get this blended properly. Now we'll blend. It should be nice and creamy just like this when you're finished blending. Next is to transfer it to the pot and boil. After you add your mixture to the pot, you want to go ahead and give it a nice stir to prevent sticking and also to prevent lumps. Remember to keep stirring to prevent the lumps. And every 30 seconds or so you want to stir. If it's on high flame, if it's on medium or low, you can stir it every minute. Almond milk added, and then I'm going to give it another stir. You can add the milk of choice. I give my children almond milk. Alright, so our porridge is not done yet. It's still cooking. Guys, please don't forget to leave me a like if you like the porridge that I am making now. I am going to be putting the recipe into the description so you can try it from home. It's highly nutritious, and yes, really good for your children especially. And now we are adding to our thermos. Had to sneak some for myself, big one for my little boy, small thermos for me. So good, guys. I definitely recommend that you try this porridge. Have a good day and stay irie. Bye.